racing. Wondering what she said to me. Like Martin Luther, like Clean. Come join the model. Come fly with black. We will give you freedom from the woman's strong. Come join the mother. So on our wings. You can touch the hand of God. He will make you king. He will make you king. Hey, my wonderful people, I salute all of you. Grand Rising. Welcome to this morning broadcast. How's the volume? How's the volume? Is the audio fine? Is it okay? Is the audio okay? Let me know in the comment section. Is the audio sitting right with you? My people, I salute you. I greet each and every one of you this wonderful morning. I would have played some music for you. One Utobo is reporting, okay, it means that they are hearing me because this Utobo that is crying blood here is proof that the injection is entering very well. You know, say if you are a woman there for bed, you know they hear the sound. You be like say just they waste your time. But when they hear you know, say they do better work. So this my bingos is good. They are mourning for me. So that one go encourage me to do more. So you Umutoba, I know say una no to get sense. Una no even get at all. Your cry is a motivation from you. Okay? It demotivate me to do more. Are you understanding me now? Onyoma. Then go hear me. Please. I've seen so many people making videos about Nnamdi Kanu's appeal. Some are saying he needs to conduct himself very well. Some are saying political solution, and his lawyers, the Nwapuda Anofia Maxwell Opara, is there telling them, sorry my people, is all the please be leaving a positive review, keep hitting the like button. That's why they are reporting this thing. Don't just sit there, share, like, you know, be hitting the like button. It helps the broadcast. Akinola Bright, and I may be troublemaker of the year. I accept it with all my heart. I accept that troublemaker title. Okay? Let me block one also. My people, I told you guys, be hitting the like button. You know, I haven't made a live video for long. It's good. They keep reporting, at least at a point, the report will stop going, but you need to be liking this thing. Leave comment. Okay? Leave a comment. No, it's not network, it's report. It's not network. It's not network. I have a perfect network. So we know exactly what's our foot. Please leave a good positive comment. Don't just be watching. This is why this is breaking and stopping. Thank you so much. Gabriel Ona, I see you. They never see something. Both don't go now. Make them cry. Make them cry like they go cry like this. Tears of blood. Now you go they come out. They never see anything. Me, I never see something. No, please share the video. So his lawyers have been talking rubbish, trying to gaslight you, You know, this Umokoko, they have no brain of their own. And when somebody is desperate, especially comfortable, that's why that's why when you see people, sorry, my people, is I think this one is network or is my data over. Wait, I'm coming. Let me make a call. Hold on. Hello. Okay, hello, you hear me now? Yes. Wait, I want call person there. I will call you back. No worry. Hold on. I know now this one I want me call the call. Hello, please, bro, what's up? Help me send 75 gig. Yeah, help me send 75 gig. That 2 months own, please. I think I'm running low on data. Okay. My wonderful people, I'm sorry for it. So let's begin in earnest. Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers are lying to his bingos. And the earlier they accept the truth, the better for them. This hopium he's giving you people will not work. There is absolutely nothing that will release the experiment Nnamdi Kanu. And now, that rope, the client, he escaped at the lower court, which is the Federal High Court. He will not escape it at the Court of Appeal. Are you understanding me now? He's not going to escape it at the Court of Appeal. See the reasons here. The judge gave 2 reasons. The judge gave 2 reasons as to why he did not give him hanging. And the number 1 reason there being his quotation, his Bible quotation, that the Bible said they should show mercy. Then the second one is that Nigeria is a member of one body. I don't know the agreement we signed with one body. The abolishment of by sentence. But this year alone, they've given so many people by sentence in prisons. Okay? Are you understanding me now? So, one, let's take the first point. And mind you, he read this into the judgment, of which Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers have nothing they are standing on at the Court of Appeal. But the prosecution team is standing gidigba. Okay? Are you understanding me? Let me block one umuozu. The Bible is quoting, 1, there are thousands of Nnamdi Kanu's victims who are not Christians. Okay? The army couple, the husband was not a Christian. Ahmed Gulak was a Muslim. The woman they buy with the children, including the one in her womb, all those people are Muslims. All these ones where they burn their trailers, they never see them till date. Those are not Christians. There are atheists. There are atheists who are involved too. Are you understanding me now? So why would you be using the Bible for those people? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Pat, how are you, Pat? It does not make sense that you are using the Bible to justify not hanging in Nnamdi Kanu. I now, as a traditionalist, yes, they even buy a traditionalist. That guy at Lille, when they buy him, they said he's Ezosika. You forgot the one that was running away with his offer. They caught him and buy him. So, what does the Iwu Amadioha? What does Iwu Amala said about buying person? So, our own law says that any person who buy person must be buy. So, why are they using Christian Bible to justify that mercy? It does not make sense. Okay? It does not make sense. We don't believe in the Bible. So, the Bible should play no role in our criminal jurisprudence. We have nothing to do with the Bible. Take the Bible to the people that brought it. Even the people that gave you the Bible, they still have by sentence. Many states in America have by sentence. And these people have been practicing Christianity even from their homeland in Europe before Christianity came here. You dey hear me? Are you understanding me now? So they should, that one already has set aside that reason. Mama Sabo bless them. That alone, as a traditionalist, nobody will judge me under Sharia law in the northern Nigeria. Okay? Nobody is going to judge me under Sharia law. I will not appear before any Sharia court because I'm not a Muslim. So, if I can't appear before a Sharia court because I'm not a Muslim, why should the judge let someone off the hook based on what he read in the Bible? So that first reason is gone. Oh. Now let's tackle the second reason. That Nigeria is signatory to one war, whatever. Now, whatever treaty any president, any CJ, any AGF is entering on behalf of Nigeria cannot supersede the Constitution, because the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. So, whenever there is a, hold on, let me be, please, you know me, I love blocking Umutobo. Bless them, say Sanu to everyone. No, it's in Akwana. It's still morning. It's still morning, so now in Akwana is supposed to use. This one say hand go soon touch you. Now this thing on a shout to so Nnamdi Kanu reach Sokoto. Una don dey shout am. Una don dey shout am until he reach Sokoto. He dey Sokoto now. Sokoto. By keke. Mazi Abubakar Sadiq Usman, I see you. So, there is no law, there is no code written anywhere that we are signatory to that says our supreme law of the land, which is the Constitution, is subservient to that law. It's a lie. It's a bloody lie. If the supreme law of the land is the Constitution, why are we using whatever treaty we joined to give excuse not to buy Nnamdi Kanu? Eh? How? How? You don't do that. You don't. The Supreme Court law of the land is the Constitution. So the two reasons given, please, is the Prosecutor General listening? Is the in fact, I go write and send them to somebody where I know say go give them to the prosecution team. Okay? We can't stand for this life imprisonment. We don't have time to start going, oh, they should leave him. Every year, some of these activists will be using it to create problem. Imagine if the judge was resolute enough to give him by sentence. At least they will carry out the execution before December ending. This noise where they happen now, go down, they finish. Shebi I tell I said them go knock am something and they no go do anything. I not tell you. I not tell on I said them go knock am something and they no go do anything. See, there is absolutely nothing anybody will do about it. I told you people. Now, imagine if the government just closed their eyes, the judge closed his eyes and say, I knock you this thing because humanity. He read it and even told you, yes, it's supposed to be by sentence. Eh? They gave him, they should have paid him immediately. I don't care who you are. You say, Henry Chimeze said, appeal court will upgrade you. No, they simply have to. Because this reason the judge gave should not be allowed to stand. You don't know the next idiot that is going to come up. And they will now use the judgment. This means the judge has set a precedence. This one will now become a precedence. A lawyer will stand in courtroom and say, in so judgment, the judge read, before you know it, they go begin the drag am as if it's not the prerogative power of the judge that he exercised. Are you seeing it now? This is why you need to show no mercy to a criminal. To somebody who set up organization where they buy people. Let me block one also. You need to show no mercy. Anybody, I don't care if he's my father, if he's my mother, anybody that, you see my father, if I see him post anything about IPOB, I will go and report him myself. Let him be doing his own bingoism that side though. I see him post pen about IPOB. I go in support of this their nonsense they are doing. Me, I go report them. I go report them. Let alone you. Let alone you. Nobody involved in this thing should be showed mercy. I don't care who you are. I don't care who you are. Umutobo. This one say, are you Igbo? What do I look like somebody from Madagascar? Eh? Do I look like someone from Madagascar? Oh, you expect me to come and be supporting evil with you because I don't get sense ability? Eh? So for your mind now, with my level of research, with my level of intelligence, me, I go come follow Ozu like you. They support this nonsense. They waste your time. Okay? They waste your time. He is not going to serve any sentence because staying there is waste of food. It's a total waste of food. Are you understanding? It's a waste of oxygen. It's a waste of water. It's a waste of food. There is no reason, there is no legitimate reason as to why Nnamdi Kanu will continue to be a burden on our food supply. It shouldn't happen. This guy, make these people know say you dey serious. Okay? Okay, see him brother Emmanuel, a lawyer and the wife for Sokoto. My people, I need to go to Sokoto. Let me block one also. I need to go to Sokoto. I really need that Sokoto travel. I really need it. I really need to visit Sokoto. Sokoto. Are you getting me? Are you getting me now? This Utobo must pay. Go to Osu local government area. See the houses they burn. I mean, please, if I miss any Utobo, give me bingo alert. See the houses they burnt. See all people's homes, young boys. Many of those houses, some of the owners went to jail in abroad, just trying to make money to better their homes. Then Nnamdi Kanu, a foolish Utobo, a complete Akpamu that never worth anything in life. Show me one place Nnamdi Kanu built a fence. A fence. Before he started making money with you fools. Show me one thing, one cement he turned into blocks. Show me one. Do you know a place Nnamdi Kanu bought 1 square meter of land? This one say, why didn't you go there and buy him yourself? Me, I won't do harm. I won't do harm. Show me a single place he established any single thing, but he will send Umuokoko to go and bomb people's homes. Umaz na bomb na snow. Na bomb na angu. Aneze police. Aneze police. Aneze ndi ekogu. Aneze everything. Izecha yeni na jeche no agu aputa. Iruo uno. Mmadu. Ọkwanu ndị anụ agbara ụlọ ha ọkụ gbachiri ụlọ nna ndị ha nkịtị ka na-ebile. Etu anụ ụlọ ha niile n'idiri na-engodo ọkụ first. He said Nigeria will happen to you soon. Yes, so let Nigeria happen to me instead of Biafra. Let the Nigeria that happened to Ato Ezenugbo must happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Aliko Dangote must happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Bua with Abu Rashid would happen to me. The Nigeria that happened to Dave Umahi will happen to me. You see this Biafra that happened to us, it must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Okigwe must happen to you. Amy Scott, Amedu Nemeka, Dalo. Oh, now you dey here. Welcome, my brother. The Biafra that happened to Lilu must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Iseke must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Uli must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Ihiala must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Njaba LGA must happen to you. The Biafra that happened to Mbitolu LGA must happen to you and your family. Everything what they tell you now till your 5th generation. The Biafra that is happening at our mama currently will happen to you. From the family of Ojukwu to the least person, to least of you, all of you that support this nonsense, it shall happen to you 1,000,000 times. You dey hear me? And the judge self, this one, you are preaching the Bible when you want to sentence him. And the prosecutor general should also quote the Bible. The prosecutor general should also quote the Bible for them. Why are they using Matthew chapter 3 when there is Ezekiel 18:20 there? Somebody shout Ezekiel 18:20. Somebody shout Ezekiel 18:20. Make I read them for you. Do you want me to read Ezekiel 18:20 for you? Eh? Do you want me to read Ezekiel 18:20? My people, should make we read Bible for them. My fellow Sabos, do we read Ezekiel 18:20 for them? You know why they delay this thing? I want me to use their mouth to read them. No, read them there. Let me read Ezekiel 18:20 for you. Because you know, say some of us think say me I no go church. I'm coming. Let me block these shows. I'm not an Igbo man. They don't change. I'm not IPOB. I'm not an Igbo man with their fake account. Let me read the Ezekiel 18:20 for them. Ezekiel 18. Now, let me read Ezekiel 18 for them. Now, Ezekiel 18, let me go to verse 20. And it reads, the one who sins is the one who will die. Are you understanding me? In another translation, King James Version, Old King James, he says, the soul that sinneth shall die. Are you understanding me? He says, the soul that sinneth shall die. Let me retake it again. The one who sins is the one who will die. The child will not share the guilt of the parent, nor will the parent share the guilt of the child. The righteousness of the righteous will be credited to them, and the wickedness of the wicked will be charged against them. So why are you reading Matthew for us? Is this not from the same Bible? Prosecutor General, please arm yourself with Ezekiel 18:20. I don't know if they cleaned that one from Justice Omotosho's Bible. You will see Ezekiel before Matthew in the church. So how you jump Ezekiel, they go Matthew? Yeah? How you go jump Ezekiel, they go Matthew? We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. Thank you, Okudiaro. We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. Are you understanding me? We stand by Ezekiel 18:20. The soul that sinners must die. I don't care who you are. I don't care the politicians backing you. Even these so-called religious leaders, criminals. Thank you, Mazi Abubakar Sadiq. You will see Ezekiel first before Matthew. Why run to Matthew when you have Ezekiel there first? Start with Ezekiel 18:20 now. Whatever you do, you will carry it with your own head. You dey hear am? Say the child shall not pay for the sins of the parents, and the parents shall not pay for the sins of the child. We Ndi Igbo, we didn't need to read the Bible before we know this, because we have it written in our essence first. No metalu megini buru. O metalu buru is what Ezekiel 18:20 is telling you. I need any of your pastors to come and debate me. Okay? I need any of your pastors. You see, Jovika, when I do this in the marginalization, you know, we have in the marginalization. Jovika in the marginalization. From the marginalization to the which is Mbaka and Co. Of which you know say na politics they use them, they do. I want to debate any of these your pastors. If they defeat me, I will start carrying Bible and I will start attending the person's church. Then come as evangelist. I know mpama ije kone chohe na evangelist or unyoshi. Of course, obi ibada. Isi kote ebu. This is what Ezekiel 18:20 is saying. So kezu kofu ishi ofu onye geji kote ebu. Asi agba ọma dị niile asị onye kotere ihe ọbụla okote ya were isi aburu. Onye ọbụla kotere ihe ọbụla okotere ya were isi ya buru ya. Nke ọbụla nkotere were isi mburu. What does Ezekiel 18:20 say? Oh, ishi kote ebu ọgba ya riri. Ọgba die ya. Let him go and meet his ancestors. He said, if they buy him, Biafra will quickly come. We want to help you people. We want to help you people. You know one Biafra again? You know one Biafra again? Or was it a lie when he said if he buy, Biafra will come? Oh, you are lying. You dey see him? Romans 6:23, of course, that one self, because of some of on our way go say, Ezekiel there for Old Testament. Okay, what about Romans 6:23? That one no be New Testament. You see, I'm saying Justice Omotosho jump Ezekiel, enter Matthew. If you want to advance forward, advance reach Romans now. You say you are a priest. Okay, Mr. Priest, send your request. Come on and explain to us why Usain Bolt should be freed. Come on and tell us why Usain Bolt should be free. Are you now banning Ezekiel 18:20? Do you now want to remove Ezekiel 18:20 or Romans 6:23 from the Bible? Do you want to do that? Bible no gree on a quote again. You will say you be pastor. Come on and explain it to us. All this one we start to carry Bible which day we in Anglican they for bonus. Many of on our way they claim Christianity na Catholic una for grow. Well, now they use only bulletin. Now be the only biblical literature we now they use. That time with they carry make better na Bible and the Bible. Iye jamanda Anglican ige ebu boy aya na ku otu a. Kelenu Jehovah n'ihi na ọ dị mma n'ihi na ruo mgbe ebi ka ebere ya dị. Okay? Who is okay pan Mmaju Joshua? Is this Mmaju of St. Luke's? Mmaju nke St. Luke's today here. Which of them Mmaju are you talking about? One Saka. Mmaju one Sakari in the year. No say he gave some kind names where no feel come off from my head. Mmaju, I compare with the captain that time Mbana brigade. The call brigade captain that time. Boss brigade, 7th Onisha company. No, now why I know they like to be talk this church, you go they see people and them go this thing. Somebody say, they carry Bible. Yes, now. Yes. Yes. And they come. You carry Bible. Those of on our way they wear plates for head for an Igbo, they call yourself with Judaism wherever. Ndi Jew. Ndi Igbo. The Igbo people, are you still wearing your plate on your head when your Nnamdi identified himself as a Christian in court? Pastor James Satan, okay, so you can't get them. Are you with your white cloth where you they tie, you they throw over your shoulder? Are you aware that your Nnamdi Kanu listed his religion as Christianity? Onwebenke o mere ọ na-agwa unu. Onwebenke ọ gwara unu ọ na-eme. He will tell you people to be looking for Biafra. He is in bed with Nigerian politicians. He is giving you one thing, doing a different one altogether. Why are you still on the wall shaking your head, Kudele? Middleman. Moving front and back and forth like a lizard. Your Nnamdi is now identifying as a Christian. Me block one or two. More than they cry. Idea now you Ekperima is identifying now as a Christian. Are you aware? Matthew 25:52. Of course. Of course. Yes. Of course. No, it's not about even. We need it upgraded. They need to upgrade it to a rope. They need to upgrade it to a rope. Any day for your dog, I got for your dog. If they no hunger, me I no go rest too. Some people say, Ijele, now he has gone to prison. I think it's now to move on. Move on from where? Move on from where to where? Udele. You don't know how Udele they do. Udele go follow you. They say you they sick. He go get patients. They wait for you until you buy, and you don't go come out until you chop you finish. Shabi na mi be Udele. I dey follow am like vulture. I get time, oh. I get time. This one say I hate you, and that one is supposed to make me feel bad. Oh, yeah. You say he hate me, oh. One who told me why I don't know. You say he hate me, oh. One or two, let him be the name self. Only chichi the chema. My oxygen say he hate me, oh. Chidbo. Ada bezi, oh. Mpama. So me, I suppose they vex say you hate me now. Like how do I want to come out here for my body? And for your mind, and I care. Also, people body uzu ashawo nega no man. Na ashawo no so no wine. Mpama. Utobo ashawo nebu penalty 35k with transport. Ijele no so no nwunye anu ohia. I will go still the nakam they go. Mpama. Umokoko. Like, I'm how come you know. This one say avoid east for Xmas. How much you want put now? You pick your state where you say make I come. I go there the capital do video before tomorrow afternoon. Deposit your money with Henry Chimezie because you don't take well, I don't they make this noise. Deposit your money now. See if you no go see me tomorrow. See, Coming to tell somebody you hate them. Now you people where they live life as a group. Oh, you are no longer a member of this group. Oh, now your business. Make I tell you, see Anglican Children's Ministry. The first day where they open mouth, promise say they go give me suspension, but they watch me. I went home, told my mother that they've given me suspension for 1 month. From 1 month of, I told her that they say make I know they come again. My siblings were still attending the Anglican Children's Ministry. You understand? I refused to. Okay? I no gree go again. So no be today. Nothing concern me with you because I am a human being. When you are talking about individualism, now I don't need, like, a human being is a God. You are a representation of God. Everything you need to power, you are like a vehicle. There is no external force needed to move a vehicle front or back because it's an internal combustion engine. Whatever is moving a vehicle is not coming from outside, it's from within. So you don't need anybody. You don't need anybody's association. You see me like this. Again, when I for abroad, I did 1 week, I know they get human contact. Oh. I know they get human contact. This one says, so you have siblings, but they not born anybody well to control me. And that is how it should be. The only thing you should be concerned about is whether what you are doing is right or wrong. And how do you know when you are doing the right thing or the wrong thing? You will know by when people will be challenging you with act threats and they will dismantle whatever you are saying. But when they can't dismantle whatever you are saying, they rely on emotional feelings. Oh, you hate your people. Why are you not with your people? Hey, that means they are lying. They have no counter argument against you. Are you understanding it now? Oh, person and they buy. Go. No! You don't need any fucking person. That's why many of you think there is a politician that will come one day and save you. It's a lie. What you need is a system, not a person. What you need is an idea that will spread around to people. Idea built on individualism. It is not, oh, you know, say this one, now these kind of people, they talk, oh, him be activist. No. Activism is not a profession. It's not a destiny. It is what every single person should be doing. It's a part of life. It's a part of life. Whatever issue raised around you, and it is so weak that they need threats to back it up, to establish it, run away is a lie. It's falsehood masquerading as salvation. When you are discussing something and you're asking questions, they don't want to explain it to you, they resort to ad hominem attacks. Oga, run. Don't let them gaslight you into tinkering with your reality. No. Isi kọwara gị ọfụma. Kọwara mi ọfụma. Are you understanding me now? See how kọwara gị ọfụma. It's not a situation whereby somebody would want to lie to you. They are not showing their hands. No, nah. If somebody is telling you that he's holding something, like I'm telling you now, that I have something in my hand, You said it's a lie. What do? I open it like this. Okay? I will open it. And when you are holding your hand this way, you are clenching your fist and told somebody that there is something here and the person said it's a lie. Rather than opening your fist, you'll be telling him, you hate your people. You are a liar. Come on, Bofogi also. Go tell that to the people in the village. Okay? Go tell that to the people in the village. You see, baby, how are you? Do not let anyone gaslight you into silence. You will know the truth. You won't say it because you don't want to offend the next person. Your brain is too cold. That thing they want you to gather around, when they made the decision, were you informed? Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of Igbo. Says who? Says who? Says who? Where did they make that decision? Who and who represented you, your family, your kindred, your village, your town, your city, your state in that meeting? Who? Where did they convene that meeting? And please, where's my invitation to the meeting when they decided that Nnamdi Kanu will be our leader? Are you people stupid? They went and brought a Baba from Brixton. A Baba. Really? The funniest part is most of you have not even asked yourself questions about this Nnamdi Kanu. How good is this guy that they need to be lying to you about his background, about his life? You see, when they write early life on Wikipedia, do you know how his own will be if they write the accurate information about him and his family? Eh? Do you know that? You never call it. Oh, Ijele, you really need to do this one. Oh, please. For where? I don't know, Lord. The person will know, Lord, they Sokoto prison now. The person will know, Lord, they Sokoto prison. Any law. Hey. Nenu Nnamdi ne law. Umutobo. Tochku, who do you want to write the insult to? You didn't tag the person. So Odogwata said, Malam Nnamdi Sokoto. Hey. Read Malam Nnamdi Sokoto. Shebi in useless ESN think say if they buy enough people, then go release them. For in a useless mind. For in a mumu head. Now then go release you some boots. But I can't come out and make we see. Rope, red rope. Red rope. On, like, I go beg to withdraw that appeal. We no go agree. It goes clear on for eye. I go beg to discontinue that appeal, but we no go agree. But this choker, they choke me. I go beg to withdraw the appeal, but nobody will listen to your voice. No, Tochku is not a bingo, Credo Mary. Tochku is not a bingo. It's like he wanted to respond to someone. Arobina go Carlos. Osadebe, he said, don't start waiting, you know, if you finish, you see on a problem. Person where you know. Person where you know, you don't you know that person where they respond to like that. If I open my mouth, tell you who they talk to, you go run, you go delete that your comment to run. Many of these bingos work by now, so they take by you go just see person, you go see how can you go they respond to them anyhow. What about Southeast governors that are advocating for a political? Because Nnamdi works for them. How many of the Southeast governors are spending real money on security? Nnamdi is their boy. Nnamdi is their boy. Nnamdi works for them. Are you understanding me? He works for the politicians. Now, let me explain it to you. You see, if they actually love Nnamdi Kanu, they would have told him to beg. Okay? They would have told him to beg for mercy. Maybe they will give Nnamdi 9 years. The 9 years they will give him, they will now calculate 2015 to 2017. 2 years don't go. 2021 to 2025. 4 years don't go. No, be 6 years. Which means in the next 3 years, he would be out. But they didn't want him to take that route. Why? If Nnamdi begs, his stock will fall in the eyes of the bingo and all the people supporting him. When the stock falls, they don't have anything to fall back to. Why do you think some of them were openly working with Simon Ekpa? Because they wanted him to be a replacement for Nnamdi Kanu. Believe me, by now they would have forgotten about Nnamdi Kanu. But they've not found that fulcrum that we hold together all the aspects of the Biafra scam. They know that once this Biafra scam falls, marginalization, the real marginalization will be evaluated. And people will be asking, why they give us money? We know they see what in the governors they use and do. Are you understanding me now? Are you getting it? This Biafra is the mirage, smoke and mirror they are using to divert your attention from what they are actually doing. And if Nnamdi Kanu pleads for forgiveness and mercy, that means they themselves have fallen. What are they going to do? Abandon him when he comes out? Then he will expose everything. He will expose every single thing. That is why they were giving him the false confidence. Oh, you do this one. Don't you answer them. Then what, we will meet some people, of which they have many people within the APC that works for them. APC Southeast is just PDP in disguise. Okay? It's just PDP in disguise. Are you understanding me? Most people you see as APC in the Southeast, they don't believe in the party's message or mission. It's just that they will use it to build a political machine and have access to Abuja. It's like their tunnel to Aso Villa. That is why you see all these our protests we are doing. Have you seen a single APC Southeast member that supported us? I mean the politicians. Have you seen a single minister? Everything we are doing is from our own sweat. There is no politics. That's why we don't praise any particular politician here. Anybody you see us praising, go check the person don't do work. And we are not here to carry water for anybody. From the governors to anybody. None whatsoever. Somebody say, Ijele, why are you mocking your brother? Which your brother? Quit your useless brother. The Nnamdi Kanu that said I trafficked women to Libya is my brother. Are you okay? Eh? Eh? Nnamdi Kanu that said I was trafficking women to Libya, Turkey, and Italy. And all of you kept quiet. So now that I'm responding to him, now that I'm giving him his revenge, now me come do waiting. Where was this brotherhood when they were spreading lies against me? You didn't remember that one? Eh? You say, Ijele, I fear we will pardon this man with condition of him going private for life. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a bloody lie. You say cover your chest. Make I cover them for you. It's a bloody lie. He must collect. He must collect. Okay? You say his name is Muhammad Kanu. No. Abdul Namud. Abdul Namudi Kanuri. Abdul Namdi Kanu. That's his name. So you that I'm responding to, you don't go and try to harm somebody, fail, and expect not to get the backlash. It's a lie. It's a bloody lie. I will deal with him. I will deal with him. In fact, when the hang and finish, you see that in grave, I go still there the Sagara. I go still go there the Sagara. He go hear me. He must collect. I told you, by the time I'm done dealing with Nnamdi Kanu, nobody will from the southeast will come out again and use this character assassination on anybody, because you know I'm showing you people how to handle evil people. Okay? I am showing you how to handle evil people. You become more evil. This one say, what if Nnamdi Kanu buy in Sokoto? That's the goal now. That's the goal. Eh? That's the goal. He say if they buy him, your problem go finish. No, at least I go command that one, face other ones. But when in there, na extra problem. Problem no dey finish. But if you no comot problem, you go dey pile up. Are you understanding? This one say in the play to meet him father, he go destroy him father. Like fear no go gree you come close now. Fear no. Okay, I go there no go December first week. Hello, una dey hear me? Go write am down. Prepare all your evil people. I go there no go. Okay? This one say it's insulting Igbos. Come on, go and drink nonsense and share for. If them born your useless Ashawo mama well, come. I am thinking between Newberries and Villa Toscana, where I go invite on her. Okay? Okay? Are you understanding me now? Make una choose between Newberry's Park and Villa Toscana, because I need where they go display on a dead body where you go viral. I go come, wait for me. If they born on a well, you know why they talk like this? Make una politicians go, they do their preparation ahead of time. Make them they do their preparation ahead of time. Make them cut their corrupt police where they use spy people. Make them cut their ESM. Pack all of them together, come. If my anger be say una no go still shut up. Una no go still shut up. Let me block one ozu. Una no go still shut up. Umutobu. Umotu. You will use this one to know that there is nobody that is beyond destruction. No matter the amount of pastors, bishops, politicians, market leaders, town union PGs you have under you, there is nobody that is beyond destruction so long you are lying. Okay? You say, let's go for the sake of which peace? Which nonsense peace? Any peace that is not built on justice is intimidation. Know that they've managed to intimidate the other side into silence, and that is not peace. It's called graveyard peace. And why is the graveyard peaceful? Because the people sleeping there can't do it. They don't have a choice. We don't need graveyard peace. We need real peace, which is punish all the evil people. Punish all the evil people. Are you understanding me? You punish every single evil person. From the past also. When I don't see Hezekiah, I go still use the Hezekiah Onukog do video now with in photo. Hezekiah Onukog. I go print in police invitation where they run from. Now the people where they pursue and we no serious. If I don't go for headquarters, now meet who suppose meet. Even drag the case enter DSS. This now this that their DIG for police now would they wait for. Okay, your pastor Hezekiah don't run now. He say God do tell him, Almighty tell him, say make him no go court, but because Jesus no go court, now they see himself as Jesus now. So him and Jesus now mate. Say Jesus no go court. So, when they brought Jesus in front of the Pharisees, that one no be court. Hezekiah go teach you Bible. Don't worry, na me and you. Okay? Na me and you. Wait till you want to teach me for Bible. Genesis to Revelation. Wait till you want to teach me there. Wait till you want to teach me for Bible. Why no. Me, I no be person where then they read Bible, they explain for, because me, I don't read them. They said I should stop talking about, may they come see my mouth. May they come soda my mouth. Let them soda my mouth. Umutobo. Now this is now ignorant Igbo people na go dey fool now. Somebody say, I beg humble nwa baby virgin for us. He own they come. Now small. Shebi the prophecy when he give where everybody hear. Go play the damage control when they do for him business center. Now. Nwa baby virgin. Go play in damage control and play what he said. Wait till you talk for video. And you did there, they talk rubbish. You see church member were clapping like seals. I didn't say he will come out. I say he come for detention. It is prison. Kai. Somebody said, I asked, is this because of the alleged accusation against you, or because Nnamdi Kanu actually is a terrorist? He's a terrorist. Okay? He is a terrorist, one, and he also lied against me. So I have extra motivation to follow him up. Let me give you the analogy I gave them on TikTok yesterday or early this morning. I told them it's like you are a cop, you are a policeman. Your job is to apprehend criminals. Someone went and robbed your house. One, you are pursuing him as a thief, and it's your duty as a policeman to go after criminals. And now it's happened that the place he robbed is your home. So it will give you extra motivation to pursue him. This is what I'm doing now. Are you understanding me? This is what I'm doing now. Extra motivation there. Of which, on personal vendetta alone, I am within my right to do him anything. Are you getting me now? I am still within my rights. I am still justified in going after him. Much more supporting position is one of no, you that one you don't finish now. You don't finish. You don't bees full Sokoto na Sokoto bees. Oh carry. He go chop bees tire. This one no be say motor wey carry the thing never come back from Sokoto. Now the Sokoto is there. Sokoto didn't be out. Sokoto 5,000. Debu biar by keke. Sorry, I'm getting a message. So my wonderful people, let me try and bring on callers. Let me bring on people. People sent a request here. Let me hear from them. Now, if you are on I am willing to take your question. Okay? Oduwale Bironke, how are? Dubu biaru da keke. Dubu biaru. Sakoto. Then go show him the law now. But you go tell him, okay, this person no answer. Let me bring on another person. Who is this Uche Sydney? Let's try and okay, they are still crying. They are still crying. Shebi I tell her for 2020 say you go out for her body. I no tell her nothing say na joke. Shebi on been think say na play. Shebi on think say na play. He never collect am. Wetin I tell her? 23rd of June 2020, I warned you people that una own don't finish. Hello, welcome.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Are you on your
No, I can never be you.
Are you on your marginalization?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
We're Nigerian.
Go ahead.
Yes, so I was watching the video you posted of the girl from Abia. That was trying to speak up the truth, and people were like, cursing her, calling her all sorts of names. I think it's just unfortunate that our people were just brainwashed to that extent, that you can't even remove emotions from reality most times. The girl tried to speak up as it is, but you see, most of our people always criticize her, call her names. In fact, I was watching one on her page. People sent a lot of lashes to her, and I continue asking myself, this same man that everybody is trying to plead for or say he's a saint, he's a messiah, this man doesn't even have a single investment in the southeast. He doesn't have a single. The only thing he has here is just his father's house, and he's destroying people's property, destroying people's lives here. His family is not here. And yet our people are still encouraging such, praising him, So my kind of person, I don't believe in such things, and I can never believe in such things. If people want to tell themselves the truth, at least they should ask themselves, ever since this movement started, how many schools has these people built? How many scholarships have they given to people that supports them? Or how many health centers have they built in the southeast?
You're going far. Even people that got injured during their riots,
Yes. They
they
couldn't
will
bring
send
money.
them money for medicine, they will eat it. They won't give them.
They won't give them. And people are here talking about what I don't know how to justify most people that indulge in such. You know, all these people are just they're making their money. Okay, the money they had in their private business, can they actually account for how the money was spent? They don't even know. They don't even know where the money went to. Yet, even in court, the man was still asking them to raise more money. So
Complete Onyoshi.
it's unfortunate. Was still asking them to raise more money. And one thing with them is they will criticize anybody that tries to tell them that simple fact and truth. They will even
It's like he's got a call. Are you there? Hello?
them.
Hello? Are you there?
When they are, yeah, I'm here.
Go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, when they are bring proof. But when he tells them some lies, they don't ask for proof. They won't ask for
At all.
evidence. They will just believe it instantly. But when you tell them the effect of that thing he said, they'll ask you to bring proof, bring evidence to show that it happened. So that is to show the level of ignorance our people are wallowing in. So a whole lot of harm. In fact, it will take this out is more than 20 years for us to come out from this
2 generations,
nonsense.
complete 2 generations, not even 20 years. 2 generations.
From this nonsense. The same man that has been telling you, don't even, like somebody was saying, he was talking about the man that brought about the name Biafra. He's not even an Igbo man. People are even criticizing, why would he say such? That means the man himself that is fighting don't even know the origin of the name he's fighting for.
1 minute, my brother. There is somebody that he says his name Nwa Biafra Info TV. I have requested, bring me up now. You are stupid. If you can't wait for him to finish, then get the fuck out of here. If you tap this thing here again, I block you. Go ahead.
So that means the man doesn't even know where the name he's fighting for started. He's only fighting for what he doesn't know. And some persons wake up and tell you that the Biafrans are Christian nation. And the man that is heading this thing is not told you that he's not even a Christian. You see the confusion that he threw around. In fact, like I agree with you, it will take 2 generations for people to come out of this mess. It will take more than 2 generations, in fact. He will toss their emotions, take them to any. And the one thing I noticed about him, he doesn't complete anything he says. He will tell you something now. Tomorrow, he will start a very new topic that will make you forget the old one, the old lies he told you yesterday. He will start a different thing the next day, so that you won't go back to remember what he said yesterday. A kind of, but I don't know, my brother. I don't know how best to describe him. But honestly, the only thing I can say, I love his smartness. I love his courage. But every other thing about him is, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't actually. It's all about uh, hatred, wallowing people's emotions, and the worst of it all. These his disciples are the. In fact, I believe they are the ones that led him into this thing because they were pampering. They were pampering his ignorance, and he feel that he's there, he's there, he's there. So I was even I engaged in an argument with somebody. I told the person, Why would somebody wake up at this point and start asking that he should be shown the law upon which he's convicted? The very first day he was arraigned in court, I believe the charges were read out, and the section of the law that the charges were laid upon were read out to him. And after reading all these things, he pleaded not guilty for the trial to commence. So how come you did not tell them that day that this thing is not the law, is nothing? So after so you now came back, show you the law. Is that not stupidity? Honestly, is at times I don't know how best to describe, but I feel is something people need to. We need resensitization. Honestly, so those ones it doesn't make sense. Now people, nobody looks towards that end. From anybody that goes to court for a criminal charge, that first day, I believe they will read out everything to you. And you plead guilty or not guilty. From there, everything commences. Then after doing this thing, you came back towards it to tell us that you don't even know. So it's just unfortunate, my brother. I will always encourage you. I support your work and the way you are doing it. At least let justice be served. If not for anything, people that died in this struggle, innocent people that lost their lives, for their sake, let justice be served. Not everybody's talking about one man, and people are forgetting about people that died. Nobody's talking about them. Nobody's talking about those people. So does it mean that those people does not deserve justice? Somebody woke up one day and killed somebody and told you it was. All of us must not believe in your ideology.
Of course.
All of us must not believe in your ideology. You have your own way. I have my own way.
Wrap it up, bro. Wrap it up.
You're right. So if I later deem it fit to join your ideology, it is my wish, and I have to make up my mind. It's not by bullying me I must be there. So I think that's my submission, bro.
Thank you so much, my brother, for your wonderful contribution. Keep educating those around you, Uche.
It's all right.
Dalo. Let me bring on Onye has left. Let me bring Muhammad. Let me bring Muhammad. Hello? Inakwana?
Show me the law. Show me the law. Show me the law. You don't know the law. You cannot tell me I'm Nnamdi Kanu.
You don't know law.
You don't know law. I'm Nnamdi Kanu.
Mohammed.
Odogu Ijele.
Baba. Ademumma.
Udodi, what to go?
Dalu. Ademumma.
Like the previous caller just wrap it up that he says something that touches my thought. This guy have told them so many lies. In Islam, if someone told you one lie, two lies, it shows the person is not a good person.
Yes.
Once someone tells you a story and you find out the story to be lie, it shows that that person is not a good person. He's not a person that is not a trustworthy person.
Yes.
I can tell you categorically that Nnamdi Kanu have told these people like 1,000 lies. Almost all he said are lies. It's in our belief and in our 4 eyes, he said that signed and delivered. Nothing was delivered and signed. It is in our eye that he said to them that in 2017, if he did not give them Biafra, they should not trust him again. In 2019, he told them that.
He said 2015. It started with 2015, yes.
2015. In 2019, he also says he's going to deliver Biafra. He did not give them Biafra. Nigeria will be no more. There will be no election in Nigeria. And all this has come and pass. He promised them transmitter, private jet. He even snapped picture with one behind one ammo tank that he has a meeting with. Hey, oh my God! All this like this Tobo. It baffled my mindset. Sincerely speaking. In normal circumstances, someone told you a story that and you find it to be lie. That person is not a good person, to be sincere. And yet, in our 4 eyes, people were pied in Imo State and their head was placed in the market square.
Yes.
Why are people not talking about these things? In our eyes, one pregnant woman with her 3 children was butchered, was pied in Imo State. In our eyes, the husband of the Dora Okunyele was pied. Ahmad Gulag was pied. And so many innocent people in Southeast were pied. They just want to travel to go and see their family or see their business or see their investment. They were pied on the road or kidnapped in the road. And all these people, they think that their blood is going to go for free. No, we told them there's going to be a payback. This is a payback. He's down in Sokoto drinking Fura de Nono, eating masa.
He's now at the headquarters of the caliphate.
You see, it's so sometimes, you know, if things like this happen to you, you need to use this thing to make it to have a remorse or a rethink of what you're doing. But these people, I don't know what kind of mindset they have in their brain, to be sincere. Sincerely speaking, it hurts to see people that do not want to forward their thinking or forward their mindset towards something. At least if you try something 1, 2, 3 times and it not work, you need to change your strategy.
Of course.
But you come with his own. So many people were pied, so many businesses were lost. He ran out to Cote d'Ivoire for asylum. He later came back to Nigeria. Or was Erike came with his own. Run. Now Kanu, and still they don't want to learn. And what is disturbing me is that it's in our 4 eyes. This Okafor from Niger Delta, what is his name? These 2 brothers that were jailed. Heru Oka. One was jailed in South Africa, and one is serving his prison time in I think in Meduguri. In our 4 eyes. So why are people not talking about them? So now Ijo people will also protest to say that they should be released because they did not commit the crime on what? In our 4 eyes now, Osama bin Laden was not even taken to court. He was bombarded from off by America. If Nigeria really want to pay Nnamdi Kanu, they could have thrown him from an airplane in Kenya.
Of course.
But they want him to follow the court procedure. They brought him back to Nigeria, try him, and they jail him. So I don't know why they are complaining anyhow. I don't know. Sincerely speaking, it's all very unfortunate, honestly. But as I've always told you that you have been exonerated. All of what you have said about them has happened in their 4 eyes. So the only thing they have to say to you is abuse. You know, as I told you, that truth is very, very hot. It forces someone to collect the truth. It's very hot to collect the truth. But the person knows that you're telling him the truth.
Yes.
So we are waiting for them from the appeal court. Maybe it will turn to death sentence if they don't know.
That's where it's going
Let
to.
their lawyers be deceiving
They
them.
don't know what they are doing.
They will also show him the law there. I want to show him the law.
They will show the law now.
I raise my case. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, my brother. I greatly appreciate it.
No problem.
But you go tell you, Tobo. You go get sense. Let me bring on another person who is on the edge. Elisha Umahi, you don't come out. I don't see you there again. Couldn't add guest. Okay. We don't have any more guests here. The other Biafra, the Binga, don't block them. So, my people, I think we've come to the end of the broadcast. You can join us on TikTok. I'll be live on TikTok at 10:40. 10:40, you can join me on TikTok. The TikTok account is, Ijele Speaks Remix. Find me on Ijele Speaks Remix over there on TikTok. So let's continue our discussions from there. And those that joined us here from TikTok, I appreciate all of you, of which now still many of us where they follow me. All right. So my wonderful people, I love you all. Stay blessed.